Hello and welcome to my origami tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to make a birdhouse. I should point out it's not a functional one, it's just a 2D impression of one. Right, with the disclaimer out of the way, we need to start off by making a square base, and the way we do that is we fold corner to corner, like so, turn, and we fold corner to corner again, turn over to the plane side, and we fold in half, like so, and we turn, we fold in half again, and from that we should be able to get to our square base. And the way we do that is we take two opposing corners, bend, bring to the centre, push down, and squash down top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold two corners into the centre, just one layer. I should point out, don't fold both. And with that, those creases in, we fold creases back on themselves, like so. And that should, when we open them out, allow us to push those in to the middle, like that. Okay, so you can turn over, and what we're going to do is we're going to lift this top flap up, like so, not sit as high as I did, otherwise those edges curl. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom flap and we're going to sort of squash fold to the right hand corner, and we're going to do the same on the left hand corner, like that. And we are going to fold that right corner into the centre, fold out, fold it up to that edge, that crease we just made, and we're going to redo that fold like that. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side, so fold the corner into the centre, fold the corner towards that crease, and fold down, and then fold this bottom corner into the centre. So I'll just meet up that left hand edge there. The good thing about origami, it's quite flexible, so you can just make small adjustments on the fly if you want. So, sorry, as we were saying, fold that corner into the centre and use that crease to fold that up, and that's done like that. And you do the last corner down to the centre, just one layer, so that's going to be the roof. You bring that corner down towards the crease, and you bring that fold back. Okay, there you have it. You have your origami birdhouse. I hope you liked this tutorial. Feel free to leave your comments. Take care. Bye.